will officially kick off on Thursday after the launch of the collection of 1 million signatures required to push the BBI referendum. This comes after the ODM party leader met the County Assembly's Forum leadership in Nairobi in their attempt to lobby for further ward-oriented changes in the BBI report. But as David Mudhoka now reports, Raila has insisted that the BBI timetable does not leave room for further changes.
The BBI referendum train will officially take off on Thursday after the launch of the collection of 1 million signatures required to ignite the push for a constitutional referendum. The launch that will be led by President Uhuru Kenyatta and opposition chief Raila Odinga is set to set in motion a weeks-long signatures collection exercise.
There will be some leaders who will also sign that day. Thereafter, the copies are going to be sent to all counties and to constituencies and to wards. And we want this signature collection to be done as quickly as possible.
This comes after the ODM party leader on Tuesday hosted members of the County Assembly's Forum who are calling for the amendment of some of the BBI proposals. Among the recommendations by the Forum is the increment of the Ward Development Fund from 5% as proposed in the BBI report to 30%. But Odinga has maintained that the BBI timetable does not allow for further changes.
Issue of the Ward Fund, first, the Ward Fund has now been created in the Constitution. So it is work in progress. Some at other date it will be reviewed. But we have actually stated to them that it is not possible to revise it at this moment in time.
This as the former Prime Minister refuted claims that the BBI recommendations are self-serving, challenging those opposing the report to a referendum duel.
If you disagree with it, let us meet in the field. So, sema yako, tuseme yetu, tuonane.
Meanwhile, Gatundu South MP Moses Kuria still insists that the BBI report requires another series of fine-tuning before the signatures collection exercise.
Hata hatutaki muda mrefu. Hata kama ni wiki mbili tukae chini, vile vipengele ambavyo watu wa kanisa wamesema, magavana, MCA, wabunge, sio mambo mingi.
On the other hand, Gatanga MP Joseph Nduati, who had accompanied Kuria at a burial in Gatanga, has urged Kenyans to shun from relying on politicians' interpretation of the BBI report.
Ile tunasema kama wananchi, Moses Kuria pingi, mimi sipingi, wananchi wapatiwe nafasi wasome. Na mimi ningependa niulize mwananchi wote achukue kopi asome. Na sikubali kusomewa na mwanasiasa.
David Mudhoka, TV47, Nairobi.